Alright, y'all. We're gonna do a little thermal hunting right now. I've got you on night vision camera, so no promises, but I'm gonna try and pick up some stuff. Alright guys, sorry we didn't get it on video. Gaston had to stay back for this, but we went. So we pretty much stopped coon hunting because we saw 3 at the last spot, but it was too crammed full of sunflowers and we couldn't see them. But we showed up to this spot right here, and there was 2 hogs, and we shot both of them right now. So Austin's back there with his, walking up on this one right now. Oh, it's right here. Sow, boar.
Got big nuts.
Twice there. Oh, that's cool.
Thanks to the green tips, dog.
It's not bad. This is Austin's pig. A little smaller than the one that I got, but. Alright, these are the pigs. They're like, I say 100 pounds. That one's like probably 100. This one's like 110, 15.
More light.
You guys want to see something cool? Wait a minute.
Bruh. The cheapest one ever.
It's pink. I did it with the f***ing Crayola. Which one should I show? The black and white. No, the black one. Okay, show the white one. There's a good shot. Ready? Go. It shot low. No, I'm filming up. Whenever you're ready, just make sure to go. I think you can. I told you the meow works.
I don't know.
Oh, they ran. Oh, wait, they're still there. But they're in the grass. I can't see their heads. Let's see. I can shoot this one. Shoot it. Shoot it. Okay, don't move. Are you recording, Austin? Yes. He fell.
Nice.
Alright, let's go look at him.
I don't think he's. Let me check out the thermal real quick.
He's over here.
Right there, yeah.
He's not big, but he's not small.
He's tiny.
You see? He's still alive. You want to grab my 22? Alright, now that we got the night vision on. Climb into the brush here.
Oh, I hit him. He's dead. He's from the ear. You can put another one in, just be nice, but. That's a tiny pig.
Were they all the same size?
There was one that was bigger, but he disappeared. As soon as we pulled up, he disappeared. He's like, what, 30 pounds, 20 pounds, 25?
I'd say like 50. No bag of corn. Back me up, Austin.
Make sure you hit him in the head.
No, just.
In the ear.
He's eating.
You want me to call him?
No.
No.
Oh, good fucking
Got him? fucking monstrous pig.
Huge?
Holy fuck, I love you. Dude.
Like huge?
Dude.
Huge. Oh my god.
Dude, honestly, that.
I'm cheesing. Where?
Okay, it looked huge.
Is it right here?
Yeah. I don't know where it is. Hold on.
He just dropped. I've got a light.
Dude, this is a huge.
Is it a giant?
Yeah. It looked like it.
Like 2 plus? I know 2 plus isn't that big, but I'm
Over 250.
Well, it's pretty big.
Oh, that's a good size.
oh, it's good. That's a normal size here.
He looks
Bring it
huge.
in. Bring it in.
Is it a sow? That's a boar.
It's a boar.
Here you go.
Bring it in, Will.
You happy?
Bring it in.
You
Yeah.
happy?
Oh yeah. Thanks, dog.
Where'd you hit him?
Respect for that shot.
Hey, dude, he is dropped, right?
There was another one with him?
I was nervous. That's
Dude,
why I
look
was
at
like, hey, back me up.
Look at how wet he is.
Probably just gonna see me.
Oh, yeah,
Flip
for
him?
sure.
Dude, he just dropped. Oh, yeah, perfect shot, Dylan.
Look at that, right in the. He's goon blood. Ooh, you can see that.
It's a nice one, dude. That was literally, look at the truck. The truck's right freaking there. That's
Dude, heck
25 yards. Elbow, dude.
Yeah. Oh my god. So happy.
Now you get to clean a pig.
Don't do that, Dylan.
He's still moving.
Yeah, I know. Hopefully he gets up and runs out of the back of the truck. Let's see if we can do this. He's probably 250. Oh god.
3.
No wait, hold on. We're gonna swing him. Oh wait, yeah.
Step back up.
Hold on, wait, oh shit, hold on. Wait, I accidentally zoomed in. Really
One
hard.
motion,
Okay.
okay?
It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
He's 250 all day.
Easy.
Let's see, where's that shot? Oh, right there.
Yeah, I already showed him that.
Good job, Dylan.
Hell yeah, dude.
Alright, let's hope we can get another one.
Alright, just killed this boar. Sorry I didn't get on film, but we were just driving down this road and he booked it in front of us in this cotton field. So yeah, this is him. See you later, quick. No cutters. Honestly, don't know where I hit him, but I hit him running. So
He's dead.
yeah, he's dead. He ain't gonna be messing up no cotton no more. What do you think? 125, 130?
Say 125.
And load him up, take him back to the house.
Oh, that's a cool video. The pigs are a lot further for them though.
Get it? Put it so we can do a story. Is that on STX? That's our Instagram. I think he got it. Oh, I know. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh no, flash off. Where'd they go? Sorry for the cussing. Oh god, it's right here. I think Austin got his, right? He shot?
I think so.
Is he tiny?
Yeah, he's not huge. Bigger than the one that.
I think I'm in the head.
Yeah. He fucking looked at me and I just.
Bro, he ran right here. You got yours?
Hey, I made sure that you were like that way a little more, but.
Dylan got this one. Yeah. So you got 2? That's fine. I know. I got it.
Picture.
I got it all on video. Well, I guess we'll go help you. Well, let me go look see if there's any more pigs. I'll shoot one.
I bring it? Do we just want to load this up first?
Yeah, drive right here. Bro, how did he ran right past us?
Dude, he went right around me and then like over there.
He went right.
And then no, he went right over there. Then when I shot him, he moved. I don't know how that's gonna pop him up. Pop it. This one's still alive, but oh, he's nice.
You can load that one by yourself,
Yeah, I got
right?
it.
Just Angel, stop for that one. The live one? I know, I have it all on video. That's a big pig. Oh no, it's the same size. Oh, he's striped. He's striped. You got a headshot. This is Austin's second pig. Well, his first one, he gut shot it, but
I didn't know I hit him, so I shot the other one.
there was like 30 pigs. Sorry if y'all can't see, I really can't tell because the brightness is all the way down, but both of them are striped and then Dylan's is black. Let's just drag that one over here. What, Dylan? All right, before it gets too bloody, which it already is, so sorry. But yeah, these are the pigs in actual light.
Follow us on stx.outdoors for more pictures.
That's our Instagram.
It might be a little more graphic.
3 boars and big sow.
Where was that hook?
So yeah, this is probably what, pushing 160, I'd say, and then that's like 140, 150, same size.
This video is sponsored by Gaston Sucks. Come get your sucked by Gaston at GastonSucks.com.
I'm putting that in.